Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of mechanical keyboards, with options catering to different needs, preferences, and budgets. From budget-friendly bundles to high-end offerings with unique features, we've got something for everyone. So let's jump right in and explore the top performers in the market. Links to all products are in the description. Let's get started. 5. Redragon K552 RGB. Unearthing a mechanized keyboard beneath the price bracket of $50, let alone as a part of an ensemble offering with a tethered gaming mouse, verges on the scarce. Redragon has established a reputable alias through their persistent years of releasing cost-effective computing accoutrements, and this package delivers a tethered 𝐃𝐤𝐤 mechanized keyboard along with a moldable tethered mouse. An ideal acquisition for novices constructing their first setup, or those teetering on the edge of certainty regarding the audible clatter and tangible touch of a mechanized keyboard. In the ensemble, the keyboard takes the form of Redragon's K552 RGB, equipped with audibly crisp �𝐤𝐤𝐤 blue mechanical key switches, and each key possessing its own luminous RGB backlighting, a trait customarily associated with keyboards of double the expense. The keyboard comprises 87 keys, each boasting N-key rollover, and accommodates 12 multimedia keys, strategically placed beneath the F row. The gaming mouse is the M602A RGB Griffin, an ergonomic design tethered with a USB-A. It flaunts customizable RGB illumination and an adaptable DPI range from 800 to 7,200. It also possesses 7 moldable buttons, controllable via the Redragon gaming utility. 4. Magicforce by Qisan. Contrary to general preconceptions, one doesn't always have to shell out exorbitant sums for diminutive versions of products. Case in point, Qisan's Magicforce, a compact 60% form factor mechanical keyboard brimming with extraordinary worth, all while maintaining a pleasantly surprising paltry price point. With 68 keys, it houses approximately 60% of the count found in standard 105-key full-sized keyboards, thus eliminating the numeric keypad and the typically top-situated function row. The consequence? A diminutive footprint that liberates valuable desk real estate for literature, jotting pads, or mouse maneuverability. The Magicforce, available from Qisan, offers an intriguing selection of mechanical switch alternatives. You may opt for the likes of Gateron, 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐸 or 𝐷𝐤𝐤𝐸. The most budget-friendly variants incorporate 𝐷𝐤𝐤𝐸 switches, but for a slight uptick in price, one can avail oneself of switches that generally command greater respect within keyboard enthusiast circles. White backlighting accompanies the keys of 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐸 and Gateron versions, augmenting its aesthetic appeal. Its robust metal top plate, resilient against smudges and fingerprints, confers a high level of durability. As an introductory mechanical keyboard, the Magicforce is a splendid choice, save for one minor gripe. Its removable USB cable, although useful, employs the older mini USB technology instead of the more recent and arguably more robust USB-C, potentially impacting its longevity. 3. Durgod Taurus K320. While Durgod may still be under the radar for many, their steadfast dedication to delivering value-packed mechanical keyboards cannot be overlooked. Among their myriad offerings, the Taurus K320 𝐃𝐤𝐤 showcases the benefits of the 10-keyless design, a more compact alternative to the conventional full-scale keyboard. By eschewing the number pad typically flanking the right side of the alphas and function keys, the 𝐃𝐤𝐤 form factor accommodates a lean 87 keys, thereby liberating desktop space for your navigating hand and fostering a more ergonomic and RSI minimizing posture by bringing your arms snugly together. Further enhancing the Taurus K320 𝐃𝐤𝐤's appeal is its robust customizability, courtesy of the Durgod 𝐤𝐤𝐤 engine software. Whether you're looking to concoct macros or reassign existing keys, this versatile platform accommodates your every whim. The keyboard also comes with an interchangeable USB-C wire, a subtle nod to its longevity-oriented design. In fact, it is bundled with not one but 2 cables, a USB-C to USB-C and a USB-C to USB-A, ensuring you're never left in the lurch, regardless of your computer's port. Its construction is an amalgamation of a plastic injected molding chassis, available in an array of hues from classic white and black to more vibrant green, dark gray, and pale blue. 2. Logitech K845. Logitech, an esteemed and long-established purveyor of computer adjuncts, is acclaimed by both gaming enthusiasts and business sector denizens. The K845, one among numerous mechanical keyboard contenders, seizes the lead within Logitech's extensive assortment. At a price point shy of $60, this full-featured keyboard offers an essential embellishment: ethereal white illumination emanating from beneath the keys. Advocating for a mechanical keyboard devoid of this key-defining ambient light feature proves challenging, especially considering its value in environments with less than optimal lighting. The K845 is made available by Logitech with an array of mechanical switch alternatives. The selection lies in your typing penchant. Original 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐤 switch options are also offered in the forms of the acoustically satisfying clicky blue and the sleek linear red. These prove to be a cut above the TTC counterparts in terms of fluidity. Thus, keyboard connoisseurs or heavy-duty typists may deem it worth to allocate an extra budget for the 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐤 variants. The keyboard's upper layer is forged from aluminum, providing both aesthetic appeal and structural rigidity to the overarching frame. The cord, steadfastly affixed to the keyboard, alleviates concerns about USB ports falling into disrepair. However, should the cable succumb to damage, remedial measures might prove challenging. The K845 requires no proprietary software to function, but this also implies a lack of customizable macros or additional adjustments. 1. HyperX Alloy Elite 2. In the arena of competitively priced, robust digital tools, HyperX has carved a niche for itself. A flagship offering from their arsenal is the HyperX Alloy Elite 2, a fully loaded mechanical keyboard that punches above its weight by incorporating amenities typically reserved for pricier counterparts. To commence with, the keyboard endows users with specialized media keys, inclusive of an expedient volume roller for effortless modulation of the system's volume. Alongside this, unique keys for profiles and a game mode exist, the configurations of which are malleable via the HyperX Ingenuity software. Not to be outdone, the keyboard boasts a USB 2.0 pass-through, thereby granting users the convenience of connecting their mouse directly to it and liberating an additional USB slot on their computer. Augmenting its durability is a fortified steel top plate, which imparts sturdiness and rigidity to the structure, thereby ensuring unwavering stability whether you're engrossed in feverish gaming or engrossed in typing. The customizable RGB illumination further enhances the visual allure, radiating impressively from the light bar spanning the top and the unique HyperX pudding keycaps, characterized by their milky white luminosity on the bottom segment. The keyboard is armed with the HyperX's red linear switches, which with their 45G actuation force and 1.8 mm travel distance, provide rapid response for intense gaming or brisk typing activities such as crafting emails or designing presentations. The peripheral cable, while imbued with a braided texture for added pliability, regrettably lacks a detachable design, thus compromising portability and repairability. That's a wrap on our mechanical keyboard roundup. Remember, all product links are in the description below. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.